Yeah, hi, this one's for Kathy. Kathy, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your JukeBox laser. Okay, so when I started it, the fault that I found first off is obviously the laser. So the laser was dead, so I put in a new laser, brand new laser, and played it up, fired it up, and the micro switch needed adjusting. So I'll obviously give it a clean and everything, but it needed adjusting a bit. So what I've done is I've bent that down just a little bit, enough for the control motor to go up, hit it nicely, and then stop it. So that's all been done for you. I've looked over the part and I can't see any issues with it. It's not, you know, I mean, it's not had pub use or club use or anything like that. I can't see it being hammered. You know, it's been looked after, and it's been kept relatively clean. So, you know, really and truly, you shouldn't really get a lot of problems with this. That's all sorted. I'm guessing you can hear the music they're playing. So that's your part there. So I put the date on it. Okay, so what I wanted to show you as well. Okay, so I'm just going to stop this. I'm going to take this off. This here. This is the part that this is no good for jukeboxes. The part that I use here is a bigger part. It's actually off of another system, but you know, it does a job for me. So basically, what's happened is, yeah, that photo you sent me, the spider thing. So yeah, the spider thing just fits straight on there. Ideally, what you really need is one of them. That's what you should have. See that? So you got that spacer that fits on there, and it just fits in there nicely, and then you put that little spider on top. So that little clamper, when that clamper comes down, it just sit on there, and that'll work perfect for you. So really and truly, if I was you, I'd spend whatever it's £15 to get one, and super glue it on. Just make sure if you do super glue it on that this is all free working, because if it ain't, you're going to really have issues. So yeah, I hope you're happy with that, and thank you very much for your business, and we do appreciate it. And any problems, just give me a call. You've got my home number, so you can give me a call anytime. Thanks, Kathy. You have a great weekend and a great year. Thank you.